The Nikon D80 impresses with its 10.2 megapixel CCD sensor, delivering detailed and high-resolution images, perfect for large prints or creative cropping. The 18 to 55 mm ED2A FS-DX zoom Nikkor lens ensures sharpness and contrast, even in challenging lighting conditions, thanks to Nikon's super integrated coding point. One of its standout features is the swift 0.2-second power-up time, allowing quick shooting opportunities. The camera's burst mode captures 3 frames per second, up to 100 pictures, ideal for action shots. Its image optimization functions and in-camera retouching expand creative possibilities, making post-processing a breeze. The D80's advanced auto-exposure system, inheriting technology from Nikon's higher-end models, ensures consistent and accurate exposure, evaluating various factors instantly. Additionally, its broad ISO range guarantees performance in diverse lighting scenarios, offering manual adjustments from ISO 100 upwards. Overall, the Nikon D80 combines performance, intuitive operation, and versatility in a compact DSLR body, making it a reliable choice for enthusiasts seeking quality and ease of use in their photography journey. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.